Here is a wonderful 2023 Subaru Outback. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This comfortable and connected Outback answers the call of your adventurous spirit. Loaded with passenger amenities, this versatile compact SUV is eager to hit the road or the trail so you can follow your heart's desire. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, hands-free liftgate, all-wheel drive, navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio. Indulge your adventurous side in this well-equipped Outback. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.